Hello everyone, this is Sarah and I'm here to give you the second lesson of Geek's in Introduction to HTML. And the plan for today is adding an embedded YouTube video to our HTML page, which is very easy as you'll see. Let's go straight into the implementation. I'm going to open my Notepad++. I already have some code in here, the usual HTML head, title, body, and some text in here. We have a heading, a paragraph, another heading, and another paragraph. I will show you the page. We have the gamer website, which is the H1. I could play games all day, the paragraph, my YouTube channel, the H3, and watch my videos. And the video will go right in here. So in order to add this video, I will go to a YouTube, any YouTube video, and then I will press on share. But instead of copying this link, I will press on embed, and I will have some code in here. You can see it's iframe. I will just copy paste it as is. So Ctrl C, come to here, Ctrl V, and Ctrl S to save. Then I will refresh my page. So my YouTube video was added. I can play it, I can pause, I can adjust the sound, and basically all these controls. What if I wanted the video to autoplay? It's very easy and simple. I will just put question mark in here in the source, question mark, autoplay is equal to, so either 0 or 1. 1, so it autoplays, it's like is equal to true. So 1 it autoplays, and 0 it doesn't autoplay. And the default is obviously 0. So now the video will start on its own because I had autoplay is equal to 1. Another cool thing we could do is, for example, hide these controls. Let's try it out. So and then it was controls is equal to 0. So hide the controls. As you can see, the controls are gone in here. I can't control it anymore, the sound, etc. And last cool thing is, let's add and. Last cool thing is about the show info. Show info is equal to 0. And what basically this will do is it will hide the title in here and the other information. So we can see that it is completely gone. Of course, if you want to remove, you can remove the autoplay and keep the other two. So I removed autoplay equal 1 and. It is very important to start with this question mark wherever you go, whatever you put in first. If you put show information, show info is equal to 0, and then put and controls is equal to 0. The order doesn't really matter, as long as you start with a question mark, and between each two options you insert this and sign. So now we will have no information, because show info is 0, no controls because controls is 0, but it won't autoplay because I removed the option, and by default autoplay is equal to 0, so no autoplay. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, leave us comment and reviews, and help us by supporting us through becoming a member of Discord or by donating on Patreon. And see you in the next Geek lesson.